Hi, I'm Alicia, and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm going to create a t-shirt for myself. I'm going to decorate this t-shirt here. This is just a Kmart cheapy t-shirt. I have lots of these in different colors. So I've got an idea for a rainbow and maybe a little quote down the bottom. And today I'm going to take you step by step through the process of how you can decorate one of the t-shirts that you've got in your cupboard. So let's get started. So here I am in Cricut Design Space, and what I did was I went to images and I just searched rainbow. Then I went through and I saved my favorites. So if I was going to do that again, go to images, search for the word rainbow, and it brings up 1,232 results. Then let's just say you really like this rainbow here. Click the little save button and that saves it into your saved folder. Then if you go back up here and click tick for saved, that takes you to all of the images that you've saved. So I've saved 57 different types of rainbow sort of images. I'm thinking that for this t-shirt that I want to use this image here, which is Choose Joy. Right, now that is 9 centimeters by 14 centimeters. What I actually want it to be is about 16 centimeters in width. So and then that'll make it 25 centimeters in height. It's probably a little bit big, a bit too tall in height. So I'm going to try to recreate this image by using a rainbow and making it to about the same. Then I'm just going to add my own text to the bottom of the rainbow. And I'm going to change the font. Okay, and I'm going to move that over here and just write Choose Joy. My favorite font at the moment is Adelica, which I've downloaded onto my computer. So I have to click System to find that font. I like the way it joins all the letters together. It's running writing, and it's very similar to what was on the original design. I'm just trying to make it so that I can have both words underneath the rainbow and so that they are about the width of the rainbow. That looks quite good. Move it up a little bit more. I'm happy with that, so I can delete this image now. I don't need that anymore. I'm going to highlight those two images and I'm going to click Attach to attach them together. Now I am ready to cut this out on my Cricut. I have to remember to select the mirror image so that it looks like it's back to front. That's really important when you're making a t-shirt. I need to connect my machine and make sure that it's all on the right settings. Iron on vinyl. And I have to make sure that my vinyl is shiny side down on my mat. So here my vinyl is on my mat, it's shiny side down, and I'm ready to start cutting. I'm going to release my mat now, and I'm going to pull my vinyl off my cutting mat. Now I'm going to weed the excess vinyl away from my design. I am using my Cricut Easy Press 2 to iron my image onto the t-shirt. So I've positioned it in the middle, I've set the timer, and the Cricut Easy Press 2 does all the work. I do a little bit on the back of the t-shirt, and then once that's finished, I just peel away this sticker and it's ready to go. So my t-shirt is all finished, and I really like the rainbow, and I like the positive choose joy comment, and I think it will just bring me a little bit of happiness when I put this t-shirt on. I'm inspired now to create more t-shirts because I have about 7 or 8 of these in my cupboard. If you like this video, I would love it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will keep you up to date with all of my latest YouTube videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely crafty day.